How to fix iPhone apps not downloading. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings application. Inside here, simply tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Scroll below, then tap on Sign Out. Now, wait for a few minutes and then sign back in again. This refreshes your account connection. Next, head back to Settings. Scroll below, tap on Screen Time. Now inside your scroll below again, tap on Content and Privacy Restriction and make sure this button is turned on. Now simply tap on Allowed Apps and Feature and make sure everything is enabled. After that, head back to Content and Restriction, then tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Just like that, ensure nothing is blocked. Now head back to Main Settings again, and then scroll below, tap on Apps, then tap on App Store. Now, under Mobile Data, make sure App Download is set to Always Allow. Now, if the issue still persists, open up your Control Center and then turn on your airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off again. And just like that, reconnect Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak network can cause download issues. Lastly, restart your iPhone to give it a fresh start. That's it. Follow these steps and your app download should now be working fine again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.